In today's Tiny Tidy, I am cleaning out the cabinets above my washer and dryer in my laundry room, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. As always, this is an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn. She always does such a great job putting this collaboration together. Each and every Tuesday, I'm going to link her channel called The Helpful Home, along with the playlist of the other Tiny Tidiers in my description box. Please go show them some love and tell them that I sent you. I have these two cabinets above my washer and above my dryer, and every couple of months I try to take everything out and wipe them down because they can become quite the catch-all. So on my top shelf, I keep a couple of vases and a couple of storage boxes that I have just for extra storage that are normally empty. I try to set this up to make it look as pretty as possible because I'm going to give you full disclosure here. I hate to do the laundry. So if I have a cabinet to open up, if I need to get out laundry detergent or a stain removal stick or something like that, if I can open up the cabinet and it looks aesthetically pleasing, then I am so much happier doing my laundry than if I open up a cabinet that has stuff just falling out everywhere.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on.
If you are new to my channel, I would love to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior. I do a variety of content here on my channel, mainly centered around homemaking and domestic life, and I would love to have you in my YouTube family.
I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine.
This cabinet above the dryer seems to be the one that gets in the worst condition. It seems to be the cabinet that when someone does not know where something goes, they just kind of throw it in here and it becomes the catch-all cabinet. So I am going to have to take everything out and I'm going to have to sort through it all, and I'm going to do that in the floor just so I'm a little bit more comfortable. I like to be open and real on my channel, and when I am editing this video and looking back, I can see that you can see where I have extensions in my hair because yes, I do have extensions. If you followed my channel for a while or if you are new to my channel, almost 3 years ago now, I battled a virus. The virus attacked my heart, and in August of 2020, I lost 3/4 of my hair. I had to wear a wig for a while. My hair grew back. It is beyond my shoulders now, but it's still not as long as it was. So just to help me in the growing out process, I did get a few extensions put in, and it was the way I was sitting before I filmed this video. It just shows, but that's real life. So I just wanted to share that with you because I'm just open and honest, and that's what happened to me. And probably by this summer, I will be able to remove all of these extensions, and my hair will be back to pretty much like it was before it fell out.
The sun will shine, yeah. Now I cannot picture my life being without you. You're the center of my life. I know.
This is my dog, Lily. I have two dogs, Lily and Molly. This is Lily. Lily likes to be in the heart of everything. She wants to know what's going on. She is my shadow, so you see her in tons of videos. You can tell she is checking everything out. She puts her nose close to everything to check it out, but she's not putting anything in her mouth or anything like that. So I just want to throw that out there. She's just being nosy. She just wants to know what I am doing. And what I am doing is I have this little basket, the little black and white one, and I'm putting things that need to be rehomed, that belong in another place. I'm putting it in there. I'm disposing of garbage. I'm also finding some things that I can donate and pass along, and that's what I'm doing. And so she's checking it out, just wanting to make sure that I'm not getting rid of any of her treats, which I did not.
We can't predict the future, baby, I won't lose you, you know that I will stick around. Yeah, I will stick around. No, I won't let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I need to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine.
I am sorting through my microfiber cleaning cloths. It does seem like I have a ton, which I do have a ton, and I know that there are some more that I can eventually get rid of. I do utilize zone cleaning, which means that I keep cleaning supplies in several zones throughout my home, and some of these do belong in other zones. However, because it's a tiny, tidy Tuesday, I do not have time to put them in their zone, to sort them out, so I'm just putting them all in here. So I know it looks like I have tons and tons and tons, which I'm not saying that I don't have a lot, but a lot of these, about half, do not belong in here, so that cuts it in half of what I normally have stored in there.
The sun will shine, yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine, yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine.
It felt so good to actually get rid of a few of these and to just kind of refold them and have them in the one little box and have them organized and nice and tidy. It just is something that I needed to do for a while. For some reason, I have some dish towels in here. They go in the kitchen, so I'm going to put those away in the kitchen after I finish filming this video. And yes, Lily is rolling a ball at me because she would like to play ball. However, I'm doing my tiny tidy Tuesday, so I will play ball with her after I finish filming this video. But I did find a few things to donate to someone who could enjoy these things. And then I just need to put everything back in my cabinets and have it looking nice, neat, and organized. And I will be doing this again in a couple of months. But again, this was a quick, tiny tidy, and I like how everything turned out. I like that I have an empty basket, and I like that most things are aesthetically pleasing. Once again, thank you so much, Sunday Dawn, for putting this together every Tuesday, guys. Please go check out her channel along with the playlist in my description box. And thank you guys so very much for watching, and I love you guys, appreciate you all, and just love that you give me all this love and support. And I will see you guys in the next one. And most important, do not forget to take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moment.